Found a Parrot repeater. It's in Madrid, I think. It's on channel 40 FM, CB. This is Charlie Tango 302, 163 Division, South Wales. My name's Phil. Anyone get me on the repeater? Phil in South Wales, roger. So, picked up a bit of it. This is Charlie Tango 302, 163 Division. Any copy? Any copy? And then you wait. That's going out. That's going from here to Spain and then out. It's fading though. Interesting stuff. This is Charlie Tango 302, 163 Division. Anyone taking this copy? I think I have to wait a little longer after keying up. This is Charlie Tango 302, 163 Division. My name's Phil, I'm in South Wales. Any stations hearing this? Ah, it's cutting out. Interesting though. Let's wait and see if we get the invite to use the repeater again. It was in Spanish and I think it said something about Madrid. It may have just been saying what the time was, but I think it's in Madrid. One more go. This is Charlie Tango 302, 163 Division. Any copy? This is Charlie Tango 302, 163 Division. Any copy? So I'll probably give the repeater name there. Let's work out the Morse. Charlie Tango 302 QRZ. Charlie Tango 302 QRZ. Must be someone out there. Don't know how long you have to wait to try again. CQ, this is Charlie Tango 302. Anyone out there listening? Anyone receiving this? Got it strong a minute. Anyone out there listening? Anyone receiving this? That's the end of that. Interesting.